Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. In today's video, we have the 80th flyover of the Nikola site in Coolidge, Arizona. Today's expected high temperature is 100 degrees. Temp when we flew, about 90 degrees. Time of flight was around 7:30 a.m. And this morning we did catch some skydivers jumping out of a plane. We didn't get a great shot, but you can see 7 specks falling out of the sky briefly. There are several skydiving facilities just northwest of the site, and it's in Eloy. If you're on Facebook, you may have seen some pictures Nikola posted of inside the factory. One of the pictures, you can clearly see a truck frame that's actually being worked on. So congratulations to Nikola, they are starting production. Southwest Gas was out working on the gas line again today. I'm going to say I suppose there's no hurry on this because they don't need the heat yet, but it's something that they're working on. It was early when we flew, but we can still see a lot of Nikola employee cars in the parking lot, so they are definitely hard at work. We did see one major change on the outside. You may have seen this when you clicked on the thumbnail. Nikola has done some branding on the front of the building. To the left of the new sign, we can see something covered in paper. No idea what surprises are hidden underneath, but I'm sure we'll find out in the next video or so. Also going on today is we can see at least 4 workers on 4 different lifts working on the white panels around the dock area. No idea of what's being worked on here. Anyone have any thoughts or ideas? If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you'd like to see more content like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Twitter at Bear's Workshop. And also, please check out our Patreon account down below. It's in the description of the video. It's the support from our patrons that help keep this channel going. We appreciate them, and we thank you for your support every time. We love you guys. Now, let's go fly.